Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, we are going to use for loop with string data type. So before proceeding, I request you to watch the complete video so you can understand it completely. So let's get started. So we are going to use for loop with string data type. Suppose I create a variable name and assign my name into it. Alright, now and what if I apply for loop in the variable name, for I in name. So in previous videos we had discussed that instead of variable we use range function here. So it was range function for the integer data type. So in today we are going to use string data type, so we have to use string variable here, or we can also use directly string here. Okay, now what if I print I here? So as you can see, the name variable consists 5 alphabets UMAIR. So if I run this program, you can see here each alphabet is printing one by one. Alright, first U is in I, and then M, and then A, and then I, and at last R is appearing here. So for loop is working with string like alphabets one by one with respect to their index format. Alright, now so what if we have to add numbers by using for loop? We can add numbers. Suppose I create a variable n here and input number from the user. Enter a number. Alright, now to store the sum we have to create a total variable, so we can store the sum in total variable, and then we have to for suppose rt here in n. So as you can see here, we are not using range function here. Instead of range function we are using n variable which store integer data type. Alright, now so the total variable we had made, so we are using it here, and then we assign t. Okay, so any number which is stored in t will add here. Alright, now and then when the loop will break, we can print total because all the values store in total variable. Alright, now but first thing we have to remember here is that t is an string. Why? Because input always take argument in string data type, so we have to convert it into integer data type. So for converting into integer we have to use integer function here. Alright, now it is ready to add. Okay, if I run this program, you can see it is asking me to input a number. Suppose I enter 5 here and press enter. You can see the total is 5. Why? Because whatever the number I write here, it directly stores in total. If I again run this program and this time I print 1, 2, 3 and press enter, you can see 1 plus 2 plus 3. So these all 1 plus 2 plus 3, this all numbers are add up together. So the answer is 6 here. So the exercise we had made, this is the short process. We can do this exercise by just add up the numbers by using this method. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. In next video we will start chapter 4. Thank you very much for watching.